is still digging, and then we'll go walk around downtown, and then we'll stay the night, and then we'll find something to do tomorrow morning, and then we're going to pick up the kitties. Crystals and kitties. Hashtag crystals and kitties.
Oh my god.
Hashtag crystals and kitties.
Stop.
I was actually, one of the names on my list is Quartz.
But I liked what Michael said.
Jimmy.
Yeah.
Like if you didn't know how it was spelled, like Jimmy, like Jimmy John's or something.
I'm thinking more like you would say it like Jimmy.
Yeah, I know, but it's still like the same word. Like it sounds the same, you know what I mean? I'm not against Jimmy. I like Jimmy, except like she actually is an Aries. Airy. I thought about that too. Airy gang. Airy, Jimmy, Quartz. I'll pull up my list here in a minute.
Could mix the words Aries and Gemini together for her name.
Aaronai. Jerry's.
No.
Okay, we're pulling into the mine. We're going to Hot Springs, and he said he wanted to go to cold springs. He likes cold water. So fast. He tells me to drive faster, and that I need to be careful and not to tip the car over. Do I stop for you? Or?
I don't understand.
Do you work here? Is this you? Do we talk to you? Okay.
Hold my hand. Hold my hand.
Okay.
Oh, look how shiny it is.
Put it in my basket.
She has her own basket.
I want to put it in. I get your tool. This is two. This is another tool. Here you go.
Thanks.
What's this?
Oh, that's another one of my tools. Like we were just driving on this dirt road, and I popped a tire and we couldn't turn around, so we just kept going straight trying to get to the main road, but then it turned into not a road, but there was just enough space to turn around, and we had to try like a bunch of different ways to turn around because we kept getting stuck, and then we finally got turned around. I don't know how to tell this story where it's like as like stressful as it was when we were doing it, but like we got it turned around. Elizabeth got Kodo to sleep, so that was good. And then we had Michael we just drove super slow back the way we came on the donut tire.
We're safe now. Send it later.
What did you get from the crystal store?
I got.
Yeah, do that.
Oh, it doesn't. That's a lie.
It does help, but it's okay. You don't need to.
I got myself the cute little quartz egg, and it makes me very happy. And he gave me somewhere. I think there it is. I'm not gonna use it. I'm gonna find something better, but it came with a little stand.
For now, yeah, that's perfect. Ooh, and even like on the camera right now, it looks like it's like rainbow.
Yeah, like when the light hits it, it's like
so
the dragon
powerful.
egg. It's like the dragon stone from Dragon Tales. That's what this is.
I thought it was a scale.
No, is it a scale? Rock? I
think it's
know.
a scale.
But that's what it reminds me of, because it hits the light, and it was clear, wasn't it? And it was rainbow.
Yeah, like it looks clear most of the time. It's really cool. I think it'll be really good and like soothing for you to roll around in your hand and things. You could probably look up like meditations you could do with it. You might be able to scry with it.
Scry, what is that?
It's kind of, you know how when you zone out and you start to see things because you're so zoned out? It's like that, but you have like a thing to focus on while you do it. So like people look in a crystal ball, like it's called scrying, but really like you're just kind of like going in and meditating, looking at the crystal ball, and then you start to see things. You know what I mean? Because like when you zone out and you start to like envision things, does that make sense? Yeah.
Focused daydreaming?
Yeah. With an intention. So usually you can like find answers for things. It doesn't have to be a crystal ball. You can also do it with like water. Hoda, can you show me the rocks you got? What rocks did you get at the store?
The magnet rocks?
Hematite? You got 5 hematite stones.
I got 5, 6, 5.
5. Yeah, 5.
You sit on this.
It doesn't stick on everything. They just stick to each other. It won't stick to your Legos, baby.
Yep, they just stick to each other because they're really good friends.
Because they love each other. I taught him
Are
back.
they sticking to your hand?
Yeah, it is.
Whoa! That is so cool.
I'm with another one.
Like a trick. Put one right here.
Some natural tea with the hot springs.